Hi, my name is Rochelle Villerson. This year, YPN will be participating in the second annual Jobs Fair with the Urban League of East Massachusetts. This signature event for the Urban League will attract over 40 employers to the career fair seeking a skilled and diverse workforce. The career fair also offers an opportunity for colleges and training programs to recruit potential students to advance their education. On June 6, 2013, YPN will be hosting sessions such as interviewing skills, advanced resume writing, and on-site elevator speech training. Be a better bud today and empower somebody else. Join YPN and volunteer. Thank you.